Fixing old widow's roof. Men find stash her husband left and decide to stay silent about it. An old widow named Vanessa had a group of men fix her roof, and they found a hidden stash of money in it that they planned to steal from her. They also exploited her by charging more than they originally asked for. Vanessa was an older woman living alone after her husband died a couple of years ago. They never had children, so when her loving husband died, she was left on her own. Vanessa had wanted to fix their roof for years, as she believed it would not survive heavy rain or hail. However, her husband was always against it and said the roof did not need repairs. When her husband passed, she became more and more afraid of losing her home to natural calamities, so she decided once and for all to hire a team to fix her roof. She treated them well, cooking meals and bringing them drinks she'd make herself. These men were not exactly friendly and just wanted to get the job done. Only the youngest of the group, Joseph, genuinely treated Vanessa well. He would sometimes stay after work to help her fix some things at home, and he did it for free. Joseph's soft spot for Vanessa springs from his past. He was an orphan and never met his parents, so he appreciated how Vanessa cared for them and wanted to give back. On their last day fixing the roof, one of the workers named Josh found a hidden hatch underneath one of the roofing layers. "Hey, take a look at this," he said, calling over the other workers. "Well, let's open it up," one of them said, taking a hammer to break the lock. What they saw inside surprised them. There was a box inside containing a lot of gold jewelry and a huge amount of money. "It's our lucky day," Josh told the workers as they couldn't believe their eyes. "Let's split that up once we're out of the property. Keep it in the car for now," another worker said. "That's not right. This could help Vanessa out. They might be important heirlooms," Joseph told his co-workers. "Come on, Joseph. Why would she need all these? She's old and without a family. Besides, she probably doesn't know it even exists," Josh scoffed. When they finished the day's work, Josh let Vanessa know that the price for fixing the room had gone up. "We found a huge hole that we needed to work on, so the price needs to increase," he explained, lying about the whole ordeal. The hole he was referring to was the hidden hatch they stole the box from. Although the information saddened her, she willingly gave them the money, which diminished her savings a whole lot. After getting the cash, the crew prepared to leave, but Joseph stayed behind, saying he hadn't finished fixing her closet. His co-workers laughed at him and simply left. They thought they were in for an even bigger payday with the box inside their trunk. When Joseph and Vanessa heard the car leave, she suddenly realized something. "I don't need you to fix my closet, though," she said, curious as to why he stayed behind. "I know," Joseph started before handing her the box from one of her cabinets. "Did you know that there was a secret hatch on your roof?" Vanessa shook her head. "No, I didn't. What's in it?" she asked, before slowly opening the box. When she did, she couldn't help but cry. "Oh dear," she said, tears streaming down her face. "These are my husband's gold pieces of jewelry. Oh, and this precious ring. I thought we had lost it forever," Vanessa said, holding on to a gold ring which she explained was passed on from generation to generation in her husband's family. "We never got to pass it on to the next generation because we never had children," Vanessa explained. Joseph confessed that his co-workers planned to steal the box, but he took it out of the car before they left. He then slowly said goodbye to Vanessa, but she refused. "Please, have a meal first. Eat and then go," she said. He accepted the invitation, leaving his things in the living room to sit in the dining area. Meanwhile, Vanessa prepared something for him in the kitchen. They had a good dinner together, and when it was time to leave, Vanessa thanked Joseph for his kindness. "May you be blessed even more, young man," she said before waving goodbye. When Joseph got home, he opened his backpack only to realize Vanessa had put the box inside. When he opened it, he saw all the jewelry and a note that read, "Joseph, you are a kind and honest man. I only needed 2 things from this box, my husband's letter, and some money for my food and maintenance medicine. Everything else, I want you to have it. My husband would have loved to have a son like you, and I would have too. I'm sure he's happy knowing I'm passing down his family's special ring to you. So please take the ring, the other jewelry, and the rest of the money and live a good life. With love, Vanessa." Joseph was stunned. He never imagined ever owning a family heirloom, especially since he never had a family of his own. Realizing that Vanessa was a kind old lady who treated him like family, he decided to take care of her for as long as she lived. For the next couple of years, Joseph would visit Vanessa every week to keep her company and to help her with household chores. He'd call her mother, and she'd in turn call him son. When Joseph decided to marry his girlfriend, Vanessa was with him at the altar, and when his son was born, Vanessa treated him as her grandson, and they were a very happy family. Both Joseph and Vanessa never thought they could be in a complete and happy family given their pasts. But together, they were able to make it happen. They cherished every moment they spent together and ensured that Joseph's wife and son felt all the love, comfort, and stability they needed.